In this video, we'll be telling about how to add anyone as group admin in Telegram group. For this, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, select the group in which you want to add new admin. For example, I am selecting this group. Important thing you should notice that you should be admin or owner of that group to add new admin. I am the owner of this group, so I can add new admin. Anyways, to add admin, what you need to do is above you can see this group's name. Click on that group's name. When you are clicking on that, here you can see every members in this group. After that, what you need to do is select the contact which you want to add as admin. For example, I am selecting this contact. Here you need to long press on this contact. When you are long pressing, you can see one option, promote to admin. Click on this option. Here you can see so many things. You can set this according to your preference. Now this admin has right to delete message, ban users, invite users via link, manage live streams, etc. If you want to disable any permissions, you can do that. If you don't want that admin to delete message, you can turn this off. If you want, you can turn it on also. And by default, add new admins option is disabled. If you want to give them that right, you can do that also. For that, just turn this on. And here one more option is there, remain anonymous. What that means is that if you are turning this on, no one will be knowing that this person is admin of this group. Anyways, after that, what you need to do is above you can see tick button. Just click on this tick button. When you are clicking on that, that person will be added as admin. Here next to their contact, you can see admin. Now that person is also an admin of this group. So this way you can easily add anyone as admin in Telegram group. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.